วัสดีค่ะ everyone Thursday new recipe for today's recipe if you watch my Q&A video Mary asked me how to cook it I gave her a quick explanation and then I thought it's even better if I actually cook it so today I will show you how to make grilled pork with a yummy Thai spicy sauce the name in Thai is หมูย่างน้ำจิ้มแจ่วหมู is pork ย่าง is grilled น้ำจิ้มแจ่ว is the name of the sauce okay are you ready intro First step, I will marinate the pork. Now I will let the meat marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. During that time, I will prepare sticky rice. For better sticky rice, soak it in water 10 hours before cooking. Trust me, it will be more delicious. Let it cook 10 to 15 minutes. It's very soft and chewy. Perfect sticky rice. Last step before grilling, I will start to prepare sauce. But first, I will toast the rice and then pound it. I will take a break. During that time, she will be the one taking care of the barbecue for me. And then we will grill pork.
That looks so good.
Make it this shape.
Okay.
And then you dip in the sauce.
Okay.
And the pork.
Very good. I think I heard someone call you. Have to say thank you, Mary. That was a great idea. Like the meat is really, really juicy.
You can also eat it with fresh vegetables you like.
And the sauce is a bit spicy. Not too much, like just perfect.
Spicy?
A bit. But it's perfect for spicy lovers. Link in description? Oh.
Dip, dip. You have to eat vegetables too.
Yeah, no, thank you. This damn thingy. Said meat, spicy, sauce, rice, I'm in. Yeah, trust me, try it.
You love it.
You will.
Very delicious. Alright. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy our video. It's free.
It's free.
Yes. Leave us a comment.
Tell us what you think about that. If you tried it already, or if you want to try, or if you will try for sure, and you should.
Yes.
And
Chop that like button.
chop that like button.
Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Mama, you eat only sticky rice.
Only sticky rice?
And this is my. Bye bye.